following is an excessive heat watch for the following areas in California: East Central San Joaquin Valley, Kern County Mountains, Mariposa, Madera, and Fresno County foothills. The National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Tuolumne County in Northern California, northeastern Madera County in Central California until 8:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:18 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Around an inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Tuolumne and northeastern Madera counties. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks.